Is commercial real estate right for you? Commercial real estate can create life-changing wealth, but it can also create life-changing headaches if you jump in unprepared. Today, we're going to break down the pros and the cons of commercial real estate and why having somebody in your corner could be the smartest move that you ever make. Hi, I'm Julia. I am one of the coaches here at Commercial Property Advisors, where we help people like you build smarter portfolios. Whether you are beginning your commercial real estate journey or you're currently investing in single family and you're thinking of moving to larger investments, this video will help give you clarity. Let's first discuss 4 reasons commercial real estate might be right for you. Number 1, bigger cash flow potential. This concept is pretty simple. With single family rentals, you get 1 check per month. With multifamily, even a 10-unit property means 10 checks. With commercial spaces such as retail, office, and industrial, you are usually charging rent on a price per square foot basis. Thus, having a larger property, I'm talking about 20,000 square feet or more, could create a huge return. Number 2, stability with multiple tenants. Let's say you have a 20-unit building. If 1 or even 2 of those units become vacant, you can still operate in cash flow. Your operating income should cover basic monthly expenses plus the mortgage, tax, and insurance, even with low vacancy. In assets like office, retail, and industrial, long-term leases are very common, so think 5 to 10-year leases, which can mean steady, predictable income with built-in rent increases. Number 3, forced appreciation. If you've been watching our videos, this word should be very familiar to you. It is one of our favorites. Commercial properties are valued based on income, not just neighborhood comps. Increase the rent or reduce the expenses. In a perfect world, we're going to do both. You can directly boost your property's NOI, which directly affects its value. That's what we call forced appreciation. You don't need to wait on the market in a commercial real estate to gain value. Number 4, the final one, scalability. Back to my concept of forced appreciation. When buying one 12-unit building or a 20,000 square foot commercial property, you can leapfrog your portfolio growth compared to buying dozens of single-family homes. Force the appreciation, sell higher, move into the next bigger asset. Single-family portfolio, you need to wait for all those homes to sell individually. Sounds like a nightmare.
Got questions? Simply text the word Peter to 833-942-4516 and we'll help you.
Now, let's move on to an interesting topic on deciding why commercial real estate might not be right for you. Here are my 4 reasons. Number 1, capital requirements and complexity of deal structures. A commercial deal in most cases will require 20 to 30% down, and on top of that, you need to be prepared for working capital for the deal. That's with the understanding that on day 1 after you close the deal, things can go wrong, or unexpected vacancy can happen, and you also want to have some reserves as well on top of that. This capital requirement can scare people away, which is why it is so important to have somebody in your corner to help you structure the deal. In some cases, we can structure deals where the seller helps pay for the down payment. Actually finding a commercial deal, knowing how to analyze it properly, and then structure the terms of the deal can be daunting. I made a video called How to Analyze a LoopNet Deal, which will help with some basic parameters of analyzing financials, but you can still easily make mistakes that can cost you. Unlike residential, the deal doesn't solely rely on comps in the market. There's a lot more to it. Number 2, the management. That's something that I know very well. You're dealing with multiple tenants, property managers, compliance issues, and sometimes complex lease structures. There is no such thing as truly passive income when you own commercial real estate, as you always need to know how your business is performing. If you don't understand your business, how can you expect it to grow? Many investors make this mistake and feel that if they buy the deal, the manager is going to take care of it for them. This is the worst mistake you can make. No one cares about the property as much as the people who are invested in it. As a mentor, I cannot tell you how many times we have had to fire bad management that were on their way of sinking the protege's property. Thankfully, our team knows what to look for and can catch it early. Number 3, financing risks. Many times commercial loans are shorter term, 5, 7, or 10 years with balloon payments. That means refinancing or selling is in your future and interest rates could shift. You need to have a clear path for the property to hit your pro forma for the refinance. Having relationships with lenders and putting the property in its best position for a new loan is imperative to your real estate success. And finally, number 4, market sensitivity. Multifamily generally weathers downturns better than retail or office, but no property is fully recession-proof. You have to be willing to ride the wave of real estate. Ebbs and flows of real estate are inevitable. If you are not prepared for this, you can lose your property. My final words on this is do not go it alone. Here's the thing. These deals are bigger, the stakes are higher, and the mistakes are even more expensive. You're playing in a different league than single-family rentals. A small oversight on tenant mix, loan terms, or market analysis can wipe out years of savings. And yes, you can learn this on your own, but you're likely going to pay for that education with mistakes with real money, real stress, and real setbacks. A mentor can help you avoid the costly rookie mistakes, negotiate better deals, and connect you with lenders, contractors, and property managers who actually know the game.
Want to crack the code of commercial real estate investing, even if you're just starting out? My name is Peter Harris, and for over 25 years, I've helped everyday people just like you build true wealth through smart commercial property deals. In my book, Commercial Real Estate for Beginners, you'll learn how to analyze deals like a pro, how to secure financing even as a beginner, and how to attract great tenants for steady passive income. You don't need a fancy degree or millions in the bank, just the right guidance. Grab your free copy of Commercial Real Estate for Beginners today. Tap the link and start building smarter, more profitable real estate investments.
So, is commercial real estate right for you? If you've got the right guidance and the patience to learn, it can be one of the fastest ways to grow wealth. Without that guidance though, it's easy to turn a dream deal into a nightmare. I'll see you guys at the next video.
Would you like to work with me? Every successful commercial real estate investor has a mentor. Learn more about my Protégé program right here.